Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and in today's video I'm going to be replacing the rear suspension on my wife's 1998 Volkswagen Beetle. Thanks for joining me. I just got back from my brother's shop where we replaced the rear shocks and coil springs on my wife's 1998 Volkswagen Beetle, and I will show you that now.
Okay, that should be good. No?
No,
You'll
you
have to
do that and it'll fall off. So,
Okay, there's one.
it's not in focus. Let's go to town. Yeah, like that.
There we go. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, that'll hold the shock shaft in place so you can put an impact on here. Not something I would really recommend with new shocks because you'll chew up the shock shaft, which will destroy the seals in this area.
Okay. But it's good for removing it in.
Yeah, if you're just throwing your shocks away, it'll be fine.
Okay.
And that's that.
And that's the new shock. Just put that on there.
There. I've got a little bit there. Find a wrench I can stick on there. Ah, yes, because that's what everyone wants, is their spine compressing.
Right, right.
All right. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. I do need to make sure that that actually lines up. German torque. No idea what these are supposed to be torqued. So we'll go with that.
It works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.